NASA just found something at the center of Jupiter that shouldn't exist. For 60 years, the smartest planetary scientists on Earth argued about one question: what's actually inside Jupiter? Half of them said there's no core at all, just gas all the way down. The other half said there is a solid core, dense and defined. NASA sent a spacecraft called Juno to finally settle it. What it found didn't just settle the argument, it broke it. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why scientists are calling this one of the most unsettling discoveries in modern space science. Here's why this mattered so much. Camp 1 said Jupiter formed like a failed star, a massive cloud of gas collapsing under its own gravity. No solid ground. If you fell through the clouds, you'd fall forever. Camp 2 said heavy elements, rock, ice, iron, clumped together first in the cold outer solar system. Then gravity pulled gas on top of that solid seed. Two totally different origin stories, both taught in textbooks, both defended for 6 decades. Something had to be wrong, and Juno was built to find out which one. Now, Juno doesn't take pictures of Jupiter's interior, it listens. As it swings within 4,200 kilometers of the cloud tops, Jupiter's gravity tugs on the spacecraft in tiny, measurable ways, changes in speed as small as 0.01 millimeters per second. From that data, NASA built the most precise gravity map of Jupiter ever made, 100 times more accurate than anything before it. And here's the twist. Neither camp won. There is a core, but it has no edge. The heavy material doesn't stop at a boundary. It thins out gradually across a region roughly 70,000 kilometers wide. That's wider than 5.5 Earths stacked side by side. Nothing you could point to and say, here's where the core ends. This breaks the standard model of how giant planets are built. That model requires a solid, compact core as a foundation. What Juno found instead is a slow dissolve, a center that doesn't behave like a center. Scientists had one clean explanation ready. Maybe a planet 10 times Earth's mass smashed into young Jupiter and shattered its solid core. Sounds reasonable, right? So they tested it, ran the simulations. Every single time, the debris resettled into a sharp boundary, like sediment sinking to the bottom of a glass of water. The collision theory failed, which meant something else was going on. The answer came from an unexpected place: Saturn's rings. They ripple with waves, driven by vibrations deep inside the planet. When scientists combined that ring data with old Cassini gravity measurements, they found the exact same thing: a diffuse, boundaryless interior. Published, peer-reviewed, completely independent of Juno. Two different gas giants, different sizes, different distances from the Sun, same impossible structure. That's not a coincidence anymore. That's how gas giants are actually built. And every planetary model used to classify over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets was built on the assumption that's now proven wrong. And there's one more thing NASA hasn't explained. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, stronger in the north than the south, with 2 south magnetic poles, a setup that shouldn't be physically possible. Scientists hoped the diffuse core would explain it. It didn't. It made the mystery worse. Right now, nobody knows why. Jupiter is the largest planet we can study up close, and its center is still one of the most unresolved mysteries in modern science. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Should we go deeper on Saturn's hidden interior next?